I am going to solve exercise 1D question 7 for you. So all I've done so far is write down the information available to us. We were given a diagram, which I'm not going to draw because I can't, but hopefully you can see it. We know that the sphere, so the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, but we only want a hemisphere. So we're going to use 2 pi r squared because it's half as big. And then a cylinder is pi r squared because that's the circle. Now we've only got a circle on the bottom of this shape if you look at it, because the top is covered by the hemisphere. And then this is the curved surface. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. So if you open it up, so if you have like see, this is why I don't draw. So this bit, when you open it up, becomes this line here when you unfold it, and then this bit is h. So this bit here is 2 pi r, right? Because it's the circumference, and then this gives you the height, which is what this bit is, 2 pi r h. That is the curved surface. Now, we have a dome on the top, right? And it tells us that this is r. Now, obviously, this is the same thing, right? Not in my drawing because it's terrible. But if this was a hemisphere, then the radius is always going to be equal. And they give us the fact that this entire length is 18. So what I want to do is I want to talk about, I need to get rid of this h because I can't solve for 2 letters at once. I have 3 lots of r's, so I should leave that alone. I mean, you can do it with r, but it'll make it much harder. So I'm going to rearrange h. So h here, if this is r, right, this section here and this section here, then isn't h 18 minus r? Because 18 is all this. I need to get rid of this bit, and I'm left with h. So I'm going to substitute that into this. So I'm also told in the question that my total surface area is actually 205 pi. So let's leave that in there. And then these two go together because they're like terms. So that is 3 pi r squared. And then I need to add 2 pi r, and instead of h, I'm going to put in 18 minus r. Now I don't have any h's. This is going to make my life easier. So 205 pi is equal to 3 pi r squared, and then I just distribute this. So this gives me plus 36 pi r minus 2 pi r squared. Now I have some more like terms that I can deal with, and I'm going to bring this across to join us. So 0 equals pi r squared, because I've got 3 pi r squared minus 2 pi r squared. Then here I've got 36 pi r, and then I'm going to subtract 205 pi. Now you'll notice that all of them have pi in it, so I'm going to divide by pi, take it out as my common factor, plus 36r minus 205. Now it's a quadratic I can solve. So let's see what two numbers add to the middle and multiply to the last. Now this is going to take a bit of playing around with, but I figured out that it's positive 41 and negative 5. Now, what you need to do here is use a little bit of common sense. So think about what we're finding out. R is the radius of this hemisphere. Now, can R be negative? Well, of course not. It makes no sense for R to be negative because we're talking about distance. So that means R equaling negative 41, whoops, that doesn't look like a 1, is an impossible solution. So R is only equal to 5. And I'm also asked to find H, and I've got this lovely formula over here. So it's 18 minus H, which is 5. So H is 13. So these are the two answers that I need. Right. Let me know if you've got more questions.